Hi friends, today I want to show you this thing that I just received from Amazon, and it's the perfect detail for any anniversary or birthday number 60. You can decorate your party so easy because you just open the packet and came this beautiful decoration. This is the design, says happy 60th birthday, and have these beautiful flowers right here. The color of the decoration is beautiful, the letters too, and came with these holes in the corners that you can use to install with this other accessory that came with your product. So we're gonna put it right now so you can see how beautiful it is. It's super lightweight, so you can put it in any surface, inside or outside, because this material is resistant. So I'm gonna use this tape right here. See? It's so easy to install and looks beautiful, and you can put it in any part of your party. So I highly recommend this decoration. See you.